Happy birthday to me, Smokey. Me and him decided to go and celebrate my 40th first birthday at the Oregon coast. Our first stop is Depot Bay. Right, Smokey? I need to adjust his harness to the door probably. He's comfortable. Got his food, got his litter and everything that is necessary. His little cage, and he's gonna sleep with me comfortable in this 15-passenger van. I actually took one of the mattresses, regular mattress, Tempur-Pedic, and the litter right there with everything. And here's our first Oregonian stop. Right, Smokey? You never been in ocean, huh? It's gonna be your first time. 8 years old. All right, let's go outside and smell some grass, huh? Smokey taking his first rest area. Hey, Smokey. You're relaxing. You're chilling at your first Oregon rest area. Celebrating with me my birthday. Going to Depot Bay. Right, Smokey? Never been in the ocean. He's so chilling.